Hi, good evening. We are from Group 10 and myself is Nirisha of Nagaraju. My metric number is EX053558.
Hi, my name is Satish Lan, son of Sinandi, and my medic number is EX03613. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shawaz Zulkifli. My matrix number is EX03560.
Hi, I'm Nurnaja Shari. My metric number is EX03580.
So, well, guys, today we are wanted to talk about the next gadget, which is Sabang Shawar's opinion, uh,
Which is smartphone.
which is smart mode. So, we'll start by Satya.
Hi, okay, today I'm going to talk about the smartphone which I have choose is MI Note LTE, which is this one. So this brand is one of the brand in for Xiaomi, and also it took I think I'm using this one for 3 years. And why I choose this phone is because I have been using a lot 3 years time already. So it's a good phone. Even though this model has also the new gestures and also settings all inside over here. Even the new phone also can compare about this phone. And also this battery have a longevity, which means I can use this for 2 days without charging. For first time I'm using it for 3 to 4 days without charging my phone and using my data. And also now I'm using for at least 2 days without charging my phone. So, and what is the appearance from this handphone is the shape of this handphone is like a rectangle, which is recommend first for the Xiaomi. And also this call is Pro, which is got all the function inside of it. It's also always Pro. And so for the about this phone, which is the model number is MI Note LTE. And also for this one, there are a lot of gestures and also got a lot of function over here. And I'm going to talk about the function over here. This version is MI Global 9.5 stable, and also the CPU, which is Core Max 2.5 GXX, is compared to the now the same 2.5 is using as this one. And also the RAM is 4 GB RAM. And also the internal storage for this phone is nearly got 128 and also 64, and also got a 528 GB. And also the baseband version is MPSSI as using as nowadays. And also for this Android version, we're using 6.01 MMB29, which is the oldest one. And also this upgrading by this year they have told in the ads. And that's all from me from my MI Note LTE. That's all.
Okay, I choose Huawei P30 Pro. I choose this because it's suitable to those who love photography, and this is the best smartphone when it comes to photography. This weight smartphone is 192 gram, dimension 158 times 73.4 times 8.4 mm, and screen size is 6.47 inch, and RAM 8 gigabyte, storage got 128, 256, 512 gigabyte. Battery is 4200 mAh, and rear camera 40 MP plus 20 MP plus 8 MP and TOF. Front camera is 32 MP. This smartphone also got fantastic cameras, eye-catching design, display only Full HD, and light polish. The Huawei P30 Pro is so close to being the best smartphone right now because for some it will take top spot in their minds. It's the best phone we have used when it comes to photography with 5 times and 10 times zoom capabilities and fantastic low light performance. For their screen is the large 6.47 inch screen on the P30 Pro may only have a Full HD Plus resolution, but it's bright, clear and colorful, providing an excellent canvas for your apps and games. Okay, we go for battery life. There's no worry when it comes to the P30 Pro potentially running out of just the battery life here is excellent. We regularly got to the end of the day with 30% or more left in the tank. For the camera, the P30 Pro Real Party piece providing strategically good 5 times and 10 times zoom and a digital 50 times zoom which gets you instantly close to object far off. So yeah, I choose this because for their camera for sure.
What's the price?
Price above and price.
Both 1,000.
Okay, that's all.
That is fine.
Okay, today I want to share with you a model from Xiaomi. So it is a newly released model, just released a couple months ago in March. And for now, this year 2019, the flagship model for Xiaomi is Mi 9. But the model that I want to share with you is not Mi 9, instead it is Mi 9 SE. I'm not sure what acronym SE means, but I can assure you that it does not mean special edition. Compared to Mi 9, Mi 9 SE is designed for one-hand use, comfortably one-hand use. Because of that, it has smaller in size but the same features like the Mi 9. It has 5.97-inch display and it uses Samsung AMOLED display with 19.47 screen-to-body ratio. Some might say it is too big, but we are now in age of full screen display. So it is compared to traditional phone, it is actually just sized at 5.1 inch. So and then other than that, it also comes with in-screen fingerprint display. So it has no dedicated fingerprint sensor, so it saves space and it makes activating the phone easier and faster. Other than that, it has NFC capability that supports Google Pay. This feature might not be popular for Malaysians, but it is a popular and useful function for those people in developed countries. Even in China, there are people nowadays rarely brings cash to buy things or trade, because most of them are now using WeChat to buy. Lastly, the best features that I want to share with you is the camera. It has 3 lenses, 3 camera that has 48 megapixel capability, and 48 megapixel, and then it has its front camera is 20 megapixel. So with all these features, it only costs you 1.4k, 1.3 up to 1.4k. Okay.
Oh.
That's all.
Okay, thanks to Abang Shawal. And now I'm going to talk about gadget Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro, which is published on 2017 on November. So, well, I'm also using the same smartphone also. So it's having it's a Android type, and the first release of Samsung J is known as Samsung J7 and continued by until J7 Pro. And then this type of smartphone is touchscreen, and its dimension is 1.52 millimeter and the width is 74.8 millimeter. The weight of that particular phone is 1.81 gram, and it's only available in many colors like rose gold, black, silver and light brown. So that J7 Pro is the batteries cannot take off. It's like permanent one. So it's like if want to change the battery also, it's hard to us. And then the front camera megapixels is 30 and the back camera is 30 pixels. And the specification of this Samsung J7 Pro is in form of hardware is the phone is having 3 GB RAM in internal storage and 4 GB RAM in external storage, and it will be displayed on Super Remote Display, which is 73.1% screen to body ratio inch screen. Lastly is software. This software is called Android Type and Android 7.0, so which having 4G volt and dual SIM card, and battery life will stand for 2 to 3 days at first newly buy. Then the battery depends how much the person is using. That's all from me. So guys, you guys feel which one is best gadget for today?
I think Najwa's phone is the best.
Najwa, what's your model?
Huawei P3.
Oh, P30, the latest one. Okay.
It's quite popular.
Quite popular, right? Yeah, today I went to mall, so they are having the promotion. Can pay by every month by 147. Each month I have to pay 147.
So I choose this one first too because a lot of function over there.
So I also go with my friend Najwa's gadget, which is Huawei P30 Pro. That's all. Thank you from me.
From us. Thank you. Bye bye.
Buat dua video ke?
Uh-uh.
And then yang